In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Fidelity to Tradingview with this full guide. If you're looking to streamline your trading experience and want to integrate these platforms, you'll find that while a direct connection isn't possible, there are effective strategies to make the most of both. Let's get started. Currently, Fidelity doesn't offer a direct connection to TradingView. This might seem like a setback, but don't worry, we'll discuss some great alternatives. Not having a direct link doesn't mean you're at a standstill. It just requires a little creativity to get everything working smoothly. So let's explore these indirect methods that'll help you use both trading platforms efficiently. Firstly, it's essential to make the most out of Fidelity's own platforms. Fidelity offers various platforms designed to cater to different trading needs. So take your time becoming familiar with them. These include Fidelity's website as well as their app, which provide robust features for trading, account management, and research. Getting comfortable with these platforms is crucial as Fidelity's extensive tools and functionalities can greatly enhance your trading strategies. Next, dive into TradingView for analysis. TradingView is renowned for its vast array of charting tools and technical indicators. Even though you can't trade directly through TradingView with Fidelity, you can certainly conduct all your market analysis here. TradingView's user-friendly interface and extensive community discussions can provide insights and ideas to refine your strategies. Mastering these tools will ensure that you have a thorough analysis before executing trades through Fidelity. For those who are seeking a more connected experience, consider using a broker that is supported by TradingView. While Fidelity is a robust choice, TradingView has listed several brokers that integrate directly with its platform. By using a supported broker, you can execute trades more seamlessly without having to shuttle back and forth between separate interfaces. However, if staying with Fidelity is important for you, this might be a step you prefer to skip. Another method you could explore is leveraging the Fidelity API with a third-party tool. Various tools are available that can help bridge the gap between Fidelity and TradingView. By utilizing the Fidelity API, you can potentially integrate account data and trades from Fidelity into a third-party platform that connects with TradingView. Do keep in mind this can get a bit technical, so it may require some research and tinkering or perhaps enlisting someone with technical expertise. To sum up, while connecting Fidelity directly to TradingView isn't on the cards, these workarounds offer valuable alternatives. Whether you utilize Fidelity's own robust platforms for trading, stick to TradingView for thorough market analysis, consider a supported broker, or look into third-party integration using Fidelity's API, there's surely a strategy that fits your trading needs. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this guide helpful as you embark on optimizing your trading setup. Until next time, happy trading.